Hi there, hope you are doing alright and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new around here, I call myself Bjokib. I have this channel where I show off some of my music production projects, the gear I use to create the tracks around here, and some general computer nerdiness. If you like that type of stuff, you're welcome to subscribe. Today I'm just creating a melody I've been working on, and I would like to use the Moog synthesizer I have here to try to add another layer to this melody. I want the sound to be kind of a plucked sound, so this is a video where we'll try to make a plucked sound on the Moog hardware synthesizer. I don't claim to be a synthesizer expert, I'm just having some fun and playing around with it, and I invite you to watch if you want. Let's just jump into Ableton Live here, see what we have. So I have the Moog loaded up in Ableton Live using an external instrument here on one track using the Ableton Live external instrument plugin. And I also have another track here where I have the plugin from Moog loaded up, so I can adjust some of the parameters here on the computer, and where I also can save the preset. And you will also be able to download this preset for free under the description of this video. You can listen to the original melody here where I have all of the notes, and I used a plucked preset on a Spire synthesizer here, and it sounds like this originally. So that's the melody, and here we have the MIDI notes for the Moog. As you can see, I have reduced them somewhat because the Moog can only play two notes at the same time. So I have kept these ones here, and the init patch sounds like this. So let's try and make it a little bit more interesting. So the first thing I want to do is just to activate duo mode here and set it to low here. And play it back. Turn on oscillator 2, just listen. So there we have both oscillators playing, but I just want to turn off oscillator 2 by now. And I think we can move it here. A little bit around the square. I would like to add some movement to that, so I go to mod number 2 and I go to oscillator 1 wave and I adjust the mod 2 amount. And adjust the LFO rate a little bit. Leave it at triangle. Let's try with oscillator 2. So oscillator 2 is then playing the lower notes here. Maybe increase the resonance a little bit. Keyboard tracking, we can try to set it here. So on the amp envelope, let's keep the sustain high and increase the release a little bit. Let's keep the decay there and let's increase the attack a little bit. And let's increase the release a little, sustain, and the attack. And let's play a little bit with the filter and the envelope amount. Let's see if we can play a little bit with the envelope. Maybe that sounds better. Let's try to add a little delay on this, see how it sounds. What if we play around with the frequency? Let's see what happens. What if we introduce Valhalla Shimmer into this? No, that was too much. Let's adjust the mix down. yeah, we can sit for like 2 or 3 hours just to play around. And let's play it along with the other synthesizer here, see how it sounds. So just increase the pitch just a tiny amount here, just to try to give it a little bit movement. So I can just show you what I would do, like if I would, let's say this preset is done. So what I would do now is I would go here and I would grab a EQ8, roll off the low end to about, let's say 60 Hertz. I want the low end in this synth line. And I just adjust the delay a little bit, bring down the feedback a little, and the dry wet knob, probably the feedback. Then you can of course do other things to this synth layer. You can use a saturator included in, for example, Ableton Live. You can take something called digital clip and just have some fun with that. Or you can take, for example, hot tubes. Had to adjust the pitch a little bit. I think it was a little bit too much. So what shall we call this little preset? We can call it PL YouTube Bjokib 1. So you'll just find a link to this preset in the description below this video. So as I said in the beginning of this video, I am no synthesizer programming expert, but I think it sounded pretty good, and you will find a download link in the description below this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.